Welcome back, Frame Savers. This is the monthly dividends portfolio update for the week. Of course, every one of these companies pays me a dividend every single month. Activity. Currently, there is a value of $219.64 with $2.67 sitting in cash. I have not deposited any money into this account. The growth in cash came from dividends. Overall, we deposited $200 into here, which means we're up $19.64 or 9.82%. I'm very happy with the returns I'm getting on my portfolio so far. I know it's a short time frame, but they are really performing well, and I'm very happy with it. Dividend changes. It looks like HCAP may have dropped theirs by 15%. I'm going to have to look into that, but again, that one doesn't surprise me too much because if I remember right, HCAP is a real estate one. Let me see here. HCAP. No, it's a financial. Harvest Capital. Oh, they're a BDC. So they may be one of those that just fluctuate on a regular basis. So they may fluctuate from month to month. We'll see. I'll look into that a little more. But it looks like they dropped it from $1.14 to 96 cents. And I don't know whether I updated that. I did not. So we'll do that. And we'll update this. 1948. And over here. So we actually reduced our dividends by 17 cents this week. So now we're only getting $19.48 per year or $1.62 per month. Overall, though, we are getting a 9.74% return in dividends alone on this portfolio, so that's pretty awesome. And then you add another 9% for capital gains, and the portfolio is doing really well. So anyways, that is the monthly dividend portfolio, and I'll see you in the next update. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.